Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my paper pumpkin box by Stampin' Up. I believe this is it came in January, so I don't know if it counts as January or February. Heart boxes add-on. Ooh, so we can add on to it. Ooh, Sunshine and Smiles, paper pumpkin kit. Okay, I think that's what's coming. Oh, that's going to be cute. So there's next month. Isn't that cute? Okay. Yay. All right. So they're also coordinating things you can also purchase with it. So this says, the stamps are so pretty. It says, to my Valentine's, I love you. Love is the key. You hold the key to my heart. And so you get all the hearts and the lock and the key. And then just a pretty decorative circle that kind of has that heart feel to it. Okay. The color of the month is Fresh Freesia. So it's kind of like a little light lavender. So, all right, let's get this out and see what's here. So, I reuse the tissue, and I will set that to the side and put that in with my other tissue. Okay, so this is a kit with card making. Now, those of you who just saw my my box was a BBB. Oh goodness, I forgot now. It's a Christian box, anyways. So if I remember, I'll link it below. Hold on, I've got an alarm going off. But I was given 6 cards. So I have to say, and at first I thought, okay, everybody's a card maker is going to be upset with me. But I have to tell you, sometimes it is nice to get pre-made cards. I have the best intentions, and then they get away from me. So I am going to go ahead and use those cards, and I think I'm going to make an album out of this. So many of you know, I lost my parents here about, oops, sorry, didn't mean to bump y'all. It'll be 5 years in February. And one of the things is they met at a Valentine's dance. Their colors are purple because they went to TCU. And so I think what I'm going to do with this, just off the top of my head, I'm thinking I make some kind of memory album of them. There are some older pictures of them that I would love to get in an album and just write about it. So the cards are darling. Of course, I can totally make these and then send them, or I can make this album, and I think I'm going to go with the album. So you always get a ruler. You always get 1, 2, 3 suggestions, and then just all the info that you need. And then back here shows you everything you get in the kit. So let's look at the kit, continue looking at it. So we get kind of a coral thread. Okay, that really makes me think of my mom. My mom always wore like corals and peaches, and she wore that color lipstick. And yeah, so okay, these are beautiful. They're colored on the inside. They match beautifully the envelopes. I think that is lovely. And then we get some just sticker dots. That's great. We get some raised kind of foam tape, which is or foam dots type thing. We also get, let's see, I think we get 3 of each. So this one is a card that the keyhole comes out. So we saw that in the instructions. Here is one with just a lovely gold, pardon me, lattice of some sort. Hold on a second, guys. I apologize. I was cooking lunch, and I just had to taste. I'm doing this veggies with, half Brussels sprouts, onions, sweet potatoes, rosemary with olive oil, a touch of butter, and then garlic powder, onion powder. And so I was cooking that on the stovetop, and I just had to taste it to see if it was done. It was so good. So we've got it in the lavender, and then we have more of a squared version of it in the peach, which is lovely. We have, it looks like some punch out. So there is a circle, a long banner, and then a folding type banner that is dovetailed, if you can't see that on both ends. So there are 1, 2, 3 of those. So that must go with 3 of those is the theory. All the locks and keys. So you get 1, 2, 3 of those, and then all the banners to stamp. You've got that one. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4 of each kind of banner. And then you get some of these beautiful purple 3 of those. So it's really a lovely kit, guys. For those of you like me that are really pinched for time right now, I'm super pinched for time. I've just got lots of different hats I'm wearing, and it's nice to get things that are ready to roll. So if you're like me, and maybe you aren't just loaded with time, this may be something that you would enjoy. So if you will go to below, this is the January 2023. So there we go. If you'll go below, I have a link below to my what am I trying to say? Stampin' Up website. It'll also give you within the website the link to Paper Pumpkins, and you can sign up. You always get a die. You always get a project. You get at least 3 projects in multiples. You always get some kind of a stamp, and then they throw in extra goodies like that, which is so much fun. So I have lots of mini albums in the play right now, and during Christmas I moved everything out, and I've got to find everything. I think it's out in the office. I'm hoping to get in the office this weekend and kind of just start deep diving and getting it clean, depending on our weather. If we have rain, I'll be working inside. If we don't have rain and my husband and daughter are working outside, I will go out to the office and work. But I still have a lot here on the inside I can work on, but it's a slow progress. So next time when I come back with this, I will either come back with it completely made or almost made and share with you how I did it, and then what my plans are. Okay, friends. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, share with somebody else, all the good stuff. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'd love to have you, and hit that notification bell. It tells you every time a new video comes up. And then last, but most importantly, thank you for still being here. If you're still here, I so appreciate you, dear friend. And I pray that your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Go and make it a great day. It is cold here, but it is bright and shiny, and what a blessing that is after all that rain. So we are so thankful, and I hope you guys are having beautiful days like this where you are today. All right, friends, I'll be talking to you soon. Love y'all. Bye-bye.